Cause our daredevils will take it to that level, make them dig their own grave with their own shovels. Sharpshooter drop helicopters, black out shadows. Cause when it's time to ride, it's like pedal to the metal. Full-fledged beat suicidal, leave holes in skull heads. Hit your coat for your vote and leave them all dead. Anthem, nice white game plus handsome. Hoes hold me, ransom, get mad and throw tantrums. 7 braids like Samson, strength of Job. Since these niggas want a trip, I make it all unfold. Didn't choose the genie, didn't choose the leprechaun. Niggas better watch the gravesite they stepping on. Thinking it's a game, I rose him. Now your ass is frozen. Nuclear explosion, we straight west coasting.
Soldier when I fight in the fields, I run like a hunter when I hide in the field. Bloody samurai, my people never die. Bloody samurai, my sword will never die. Bloody samurai, my people never die.
The street apostle with rascals that'll burn flesh off your fossil, make you suck on the nozzle before you swallow these hollows, clutching a bottle. Yeah, I'm a hard act to follow. Nigga, I don't write raps, little homie, I write novels. Every chapter I capture the mind of millions when I sling raps like crack to the women and children. Bring down the building, crowd wars over the feeling. Feels good like I'm puffing on that sticky chameleon. The street billion made most of his money from drug dealing. It's rules to the game, trust nobody that's willing. Cause snitching is a pet peeve like a bitch with a bad weave. There's no honor amongst these niggas, deal with greed. I'm from a breed of real killers that's cutthroat, that'll front you to work and kill you if you a buck. Show blood sport, flick you like the butt of my Newporter with the butt of my gun. Take that, nigga, run.
I come to stop the hollering and screaming loud. Stop screaming, make a nigga wish he still dreaming. Since appearing against a ninja taught in barbarianism, South Central mentalism, like the local news on the local high school for all its realism. Don't let all the whites go there, cause all the whites will go there. Have them all braiding their hair and having tattoos and street numbers instead of good grades from school. It's like ridicule, but what would Jesus do if he was standing at a party and he was beefing with that dizzle? Like a hole ain't enough to end all ridicule, but a hole will get real holy enough to preach an interview.
If you win, I'll tell you where to find the number 2. If I win, I have your head. Do we have a deal?